Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons using all-purpose flour. While traditional macarons use almond flour, this method offers a nut-free alternative. We will cover essential steps, from preparing your meringue to achieving those iconic ruffled feet. Pay close attention to the macaronage stage, as it differs significantly from almond flour recipes. With careful execution, you can create beautiful, delicious treats. First, gather your ingredients, measuring everything by weight for accuracy. Sift together 105 grams of powdered sugar and 105 grams of all-purpose flour. Next, prepare your meringue. Whip 100 grams of room temperature egg whites, gradually adding 100 grams of granulated sugar. Continue beating until the meringue forms stiff, glossy peaks that hold their shape firmly. Now for the crucial macaronage stage. Carefully fold the sifted flour mixture into your meringue. This step is quicker than with almond flour, so avoid overmixing. The batter should flow slowly, like molten lava, but stop before it forms a continuous figure 8 when dropped from your spatula. Pipe uniform, 1.5-inch rounds onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Tap the sheets several times to remove any trapped air. Let your piped macaron shells rest for 30 to 60 minutes until a dry skin forms. This helps develop the feet. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 13 to 15 minutes, removing them slightly before they feel completely firm. Once cooled, fill your macarons with your favorite ganache or buttercream. For optimal taste and texture, allow them to mature in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.